In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable local delivery in Shopify. Local delivery is perfect if you serve customers close to your store or warehouse and want to offer a fast, affordable alternative to shipping. Before we begin, make sure the location you plan to deliver from has a complete address and inventory assigned to it in your Shopify admin. If a location isn't set up correctly, some options you're about to see may be unavailable. Start on your Shopify admin home. Look toward the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all your store's operational preferences live, and it's the hub for anything related to checkout, shipping, and delivery. Inside Settings, open Shipping and Delivery. This page groups all your fulfillment methods in one place, including traditional shipping, local pickup, and the option we're focusing on today. You'll see a dedicated area for local delivery. That's where you'll enable the feature and choose which location will offer it. Click Local Delivery to open the settings. If you operate more than one location, you'll see them listed here. Select the shop location you want to deliver from. It's important to pick the correct one because local delivery is enabled per location. If a location doesn't appear, double-check that it's active and has a full street address in your location settings. This ensures Shopify can determine who is considered local at checkout. Inside the selected location, look for the control that turns local delivery on. You'll see a slider or switch to enable it. Toggle that on. Once enabled, customers within your defined delivery area will see local delivery as an option during checkout. From here, you'll also notice fields you can customize later, such as your delivery area by radius or postal codes, any minimum order price you want to require, a delivery fee, and an estimated delivery time that appears to customers. Clear estimates help set expectations and reduce support questions. You can also add a short message with delivery instructions, like typical delivery hours or how you handle apartment drop-offs. If Shopify asks you to save your changes, that prompt simply confirms the update. After enabling, consider placing a quick test order using an address inside your delivery area to confirm the option appears as expected. If you ever need to pause local delivery for a location, come back to the same place and turn the slider off. That's all you need to get local delivery up and running in Shopify.